Hello and welcome to Infranor's Motion Made Easy series. In this video I will show you how to download the Infranor Motion Toolkit application on your mobile device. I will also go through a quick overview of the application. Let's begin. Open your phone's App Store and type Infranor into the search bar. The application can then be installed if you haven't done so already. Next, go to where the application was installed and proceed to open it. The home screen consists of a navigation bar that can be used throughout the app. The contact page and toolkit page can be reached by two methods, either the navigation bar at the bottom or the buttons in the middle of the screen. Let's go to the Toolkit tab. In this tab there are a total of 7 tool sets. The Inertia Calculator will allow for quick and accurate calculations for a cylindrical disc as well as the reflected inertias to a gearbox or lead screw. The Load Torque Calculator will calculate the required peak and continuous torque values based on the user's inputted motion profile and load parameters. The Motor and Drive Selection toolset will find a suitable slotless FP motor and pack drive for the user's entered torque values. The Browse Motors toolset gives a full list of FP motors along with their key motor characteristics. The FP and the pack part number generators will produce part numbers for the user's selected motor and drive products that can be used for quoting purposes later on. The Conversion toolset will allow for easy conversions between metric and English units and vice versa. Next, navigate to the Contact tab. Here, you have the option of calling or emailing us for quotes and more information. You also have the option of visiting our USA website or our corporate website for more information on all of our products. That will conclude this video. Thank you for watching.